I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action. Integromat. Give here the webhook link. So please visit the Integromat dashboard. Click on plus icon and search webhook. Custom webhook. Choose a hook. Copy the link and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Application/JSON. Test webhook. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Integromat site. Click on the plus icon and search for your desired app to send data. I am choosing Airtable. Get a record. Click on Airtable. Add. Select a base. Select a table. Map the respective fields. OK. Click on Run once. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. In this way you can send your data by using Integromat. Thanks for watching.